In this video, we're going to put some numbers in order from least to greatest. And it's a mixture of decimals, place value. So it says put these numbers in order from least to greatest. And these are the numbers: 39.52, 39.4, 39.17, 39.5, and 40.1. So the first step is to put the numbers in a place value chart. So let's go ahead and do that. Here's our place value chart. We have tens, ones, tenths, and hundredths, right? Because in these numbers, those are the place values we have. This is the tens, this is the ones, this is the tenths, and this is the hundredths. So this is how it looks. I just put them in: 39.52, 39.4, 39.17, 39.5, and 40.1. The next step is for all the numbers with blanks in the hundredths, you just put a 0 in. So all of these, you just put a 0 in. And that's what you would do if you ever come across a number like that. Okay, so that's them with the zeros in. Now step 3. Start at the highest place value and compare each number. So the highest place value is the tens. And here, all of these are the same except for this one, 4. 4 is the biggest number. So we automatically know that this number is the greatest number, right? So we'll put that in. It goes last, right? Because we're putting them in order from least to greatest. So the biggest number will be last in our list. So let's cross that one out. We don't have to worry about it anymore. Step 4, look at other place values. All are the same, so we go to the next place value. So you could see that all of these are the same as well. So that means we just go and compare the numbers in the tenths column. So let's go and do that. 1 is the smallest, so we know that this is the least number, right? So this one is the smallest number. This one's 5, this one's 4, this one's 5. So we automatically know this is the least number. So let's put that into our list. So it'll go here, and we'll cross that guy out. We don't need to worry about it anymore. So next is 4. 4 is the next least number, right? So we could put that in as the next one and cross that out. We have only 2 numbers left to compare. So for the remaining 2 numbers, look at the hundredths and find the smaller number. So all the rest of the numbers are exactly the same. So what you have to do is look at the next place value. So we know that this is the next one. So 39.5 goes here, and then 39.52 goes here. And that's the end. So then you could put them in order here. This was the biggest. This is the smallest, this is the second smallest. This is the third smallest. This is the fourth smallest. And this is the fifth smallest. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. Anyone can do math.